Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am doing a really quick and easy art journal spread. This is going to go in my art journal traveler's notebook that I'm working on. But yeah, and I know I'm going through all the supplies and stuff really fast, but I will leave links and all the names and everything down below in the description. So just click on show more and it will list all the different colors and things that I'm using today. But for this journal spread, I wanted to use some new printables that I have up in my Crafty Club for members. So if you are not a member of the Crafty Club and you want fun perks like digital downloads and exclusive behind the scenes things and stuff like that, definitely go check out the Crafty Club. I will leave a link to it down below as well. And for as little as $2 a month, you can get access to all of that kind of stuff, including these really cute hand-drawn cactusy succulent line drawings that I did. So those are a download that you can print off and use in your own art journaling, or I don't know, color them in or add them to your planner or whatever you want to do. They are just for personal use, so keep that in mind, but you can resize them if you want, pull them into Photoshop, do whatever. So anything creative for your personal use is fair game with those. I think they're really fun. I love drawing cactuses and things. And you might have seen me show you guys the inspiration for the background. It was a sunset image in the desert that I liked on Google. So I just kind of used the same colors because those are the colors that I had. And yeah, use that picture as inspiration, especially for like the gradient of color, because going into this spread I wasn't sure which colors should kind of go where from top to bottom of the page, so that was really helpful. So if you ever need help, Google is your friend. But here you can see that I had just printed off the little cactuses and stuff and then fussy cut them out with some scissors, and I'm just using some Tombow adhesive to put them in place. These digital downloads also do come with like some pots and planters and things, so it's not just what you see here. But anyway, again, I will leave all that stuff down below for you guys to check out. But kind of the point of this spread was to write down some intentions that I have for myself. Lately, I've been really struggling in my personal life with some things. And so what I did was I made a list of things I give myself permission to do or think or feel or whatever. So that's what all the text is that I wrote in. I cut a lot of that out just because I feel like it's kind of boring to just watch someone write for a while. But I used a Tombow Mono Twin marker to write all that in because it's permanent and it will not move, so it's great for art journaling. And yeah, I did use some of the matte medium to seal on those cactuses and images and things. I did mix it with some water though to thin it out just a little bit, which I enjoy thoroughly. So just drying things up, making sure everything is super duper dry with my heat tool. If you guys don't have a heat tool, it's super handy, especially so you don't have to wait on things to dry, because that gets annoying real fast. This stencil is from Heidi Swap. It was actually like a big square, but it had 3 different patterns. So it had some stars, which you see here, some hearts, and then like some confetti or bubbles. And I just cut the different sections apart so that it's 1, not so big, and 2, I don't have to wash the entire thing every time I want to use it because I'm #lazy. And 3, it's just easier to work with because it's a little bit smaller. And to create the stars, instead of using like a texture paste or anything like that, I'm just using some iridescent medium that I have, and I'm just using my finger to just kind of rub it around in the stencil. I did pull a card because I was thinking I was going to swipe the medium across the stencil, but again, I'm already gonna have to wash my hands after this. I don't want to have to wash a card too. So yeah, so I'm just going for it with my finger because it works, you guys. It works, right? Use the tools you have. I decided that wasn't enough stars, so of course I have to add some more. And I like that the stars are shiny and sparkly, but you can still read the text and it doesn't like get in the way or anything. That is about it for today's video. I know it was super short and simple, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. Again, make sure to check out the Crafty Club. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!